Cloth diapering has never been easier with Diaper Magic Cloth Diaper Service of Raleigh. In this video, we'll be going over a few easy ways to use pre-fold diapers with covers. Our service uses cotton pre-fold diapers in various sizes to fit babies up to 45 pounds. You'll need a diaper, a waterproof cover, and a snappy fastener to get started. And of course, a baby. First, let's try the angel fold. Lay the pre-fold flat under baby. Fold the front half into thirds. Pull the front upwards and flare the top out across baby's waist. Pull the back corners, or angel wings, out around the front. Fasten with a snappy, and you're done. Our next fold is called the jelly roll. Lay the pre-fold flat under baby. Roll the sides of the front half inwards, leaving the back half flat. Lift up the front and flare out the top around baby's waist. Wrap the back corners around to the front. Fasten with a snappy, and you're done. Our third fold is called the Bikini Twist. Lay the pre-fold flat under baby. Twist the diaper 180 degrees in the middle. Lift up the front and wrap the back corners around to the front. Fasten with a snappy, and you're done. Here's a few tips to help you along the way. With any of the folds mentioned before, try folding the back edge of the pre-fold downwards to prevent any blowouts from traveling up baby's back. Our covers feature adjustable rising snaps that are designed to give your growing baby's diaper the best fit around the legs. To make the cover smaller, simply connect the snaps before putting it on. Whatever fold you choose, you'll need a waterproof cover to go over it. For a good fit, fasten the waist snugly, but without causing any belly bulging or a muffin top on baby. Look for anywhere that your pre-fold might stick out of the cover and tuck it in to prevent leaks. Use the fingers up rule when adjusting the rising snaps. This will prevent fabric from bunching up around the leg openings, ensuring a better fit. Thank you for watching. Visit www.diapermagic.org for more information to get started.